Ever feel like saving money is this giant mountain you'll never climb? Well, here's a super simple hack that'll prove how a tiny daily step can build into a huge result. It's called the Add a Dollar Challenge. Here's the idea. You start by saving just $1 or 1 rupee or whatever small amount works for you on day one. The next day, you add another dollar. On day two, that's $2. Day three, $3. And you just keep going. It sounds simple, but trust me, it adds up fast. So why is this challenge so popular? It's because it's fun, flexible, and honestly a little addicting. Instead of stressing over huge monthly savings goals, you're just focusing on today's number. Small daily steps are easier to stick with, and they create a sense of progress that keeps you motivated. Here's how it works, step by step. First, decide how you want to track it. Some people like to use a savings jar or an app. I personally love seeing the physical cash pile up, but apps make it easier to stay consistent. Second, start with that first dollar. Save it somewhere separate, like a dedicated envelope or digital wallet. On day two, add another dollar so you have $3 total. Day three, add three more, so now you're at $6. Keep going. Each day's deposit grows by just one more dollar. You can also do a weekly version if daily tracking isn't your thing. For example, in week one, save $1 every day for 7 days. That's $7. In week two, save $2 every day for 7 days, $14 total. Keep ramping up week by week. Now let's get real. What if you miss a day? No worries. This isn't about perfection. Just adjust the next day or make it up later. The point is to keep going and not let a small slip throw you off. Here's the fun part. By the end of the year, 365 days, you'll have saved $1,378. That's a pretty nice chunk of change, and you did it one little step at a time. Let's talk about some real-life examples. People use this challenge to save for a vacation, pay off a credit card faster, or build an emergency fund. One of my friends used it to treat themselves to a gadget they'd been eyeing all year, guilt-free. The best thing? You don't have to stick with the exact numbers. If $1, $2, $3 is too much for your budget, start with smaller increments. Even a Add a Rupee challenge can grow into something significant over time. Before we wrap up, here's why I love this challenge so much. It teaches you that consistency is way more powerful than intensity. Saving doesn't have to be stressful. It can be playful and motivating, like a game you're playing against your past self. So here's my challenge to you. Start the Add a Dollar Challenge today. Even if you only do it for a month, you'll see how those little amounts stack up. Let me know in the comments what you're saving for. I'd love to hear your stories. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more money-saving ideas. Thanks for watching. Let's make saving money fun and achievable together.